Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on EVIDA 2324 hours voice-activated recording device audio recorder with playback password. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. EVIDA V618 Portable Digital Voice Recorder with Playback Function, a recorder for student, business people, senior, professor, writer, blogger in 1536 kilobyte high-quality audio. Uniquely designed and manufactured by EVIDA. Recording device with USB. A voice recorder can be quickly recharged, simple and fast file transfer onto computer with Type-C cable. Not only a mini voice recorder with playback function, but also a MP3 player, support most of the music formats MP3, WAV, FLAC, APE, OGG, WMA. Voice recorder small, easy to carry around. Why EVIDA V618 digital recorder? V618 is a 32 GB digital audio recorder with 2020 upgraded omnidirection microphones with enhanced recording chip, record lecture, meeting, conversation and more in a clear 1536 kilobytes quality. It can have up to 54 hours super long continuous recording time with full battery, store 2320 hours of recording files, or 10,000 songs. It is a great voice recording device to save your phone's power by fulfilling all your recording needs. EVIDA has specialists to give friendly instructions over phones to make sure every customer is familiar with all the features in the device. More features. Auto recording mode record subsection, variable playback speed, A to B repeat, high-speed Type-C charging and data transfer, line-in and external microphone record. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.